Hello, I'm in a 2017 Mini Cooper and today I'm going to show you how to open the hood. So you'll go in from the driver's side here, and then right down to the left side you should see a lever like this with an indication of the 2X, which implies you need to pull this handle twice. So when you pull it the first time, there's that main pop that does like the first safety, and then the second time you pull it is almost like the lever that opens the actual hood. So I heard another smaller pop that time. So then it'll go up, and it should just lift right up now. If it's not lifting, then you might have to go pull that lever again. But that's it. I hope this was helpful. And so you can see here's where these hooks were that were holding it down, one on each side. And then here's these mechanisms. If there's some issues with these, you might have some gunk in there that needs cleaned up, or some WD-40. And sometimes if your hood's out of alignment, that could cause issues as well. So if everything's straightened out, worst case you might need to replace those little hook parts or something like that, or cables, which are fairly affordable. But I hope this is helpful, and best of luck with your vehicle.